guys just a very quick tutorial on the Ichimoku indicator, this indicator right here, okay? So what is this? Because it's going to help us identify the trend of this stock, okay? I mean, it's pretty simple, very easy to see here that it has been moving up for a little while after this big decline. But the Ichimoku helps with the following. Okay, it's a technical analysis indicator that combines 5 moving averages to provide a visual representation of support, resistance, momentum, and trend direction. It's a popular indicator among traders who use technical analysis to make trading decisions. And it is basically comprised of the following 5 components. So what you have here is the Kumo cloud. And you can see here it's a different color here than it is here where it's purple. It's a light blue. So that's a bullish Kumo cloud. And you want price, which is these Japanese candlesticks here, represented on a weekly chart here, as you can see, right, to be above the Kumo cloud. The other part of this indicator is the Tenkan-sen, this green line. And what that essentially is the price over the last 9 periods. Okay, it takes the highs and lows of each candle, divides it by 2, and then it plots it on the chart. And then the red line is the highs and lows of the last 26 periods, a little bit slower moving average here, and divides it by 2. And we want price to be above both of these moving averages, which we have right now on the weekly chart, as you can see. Another interesting aspect of this indicator is the fact that the Kumo cloud, if you notice, it actually projects into the future. It's actually one of the few indicators that, takes calculations from price as it's been moving up, and then actually projects, into the future. So when we see, for example, a twist take place, that could signify a change in direction, and it will give you a heads up, essentially. So I'll give you an example of what I mean. You see the Kumo cloud right here. It was blue, turned purple, right? Now, if we take a measurement of that twist right there from this point and we go backwards in time, 26 periods, right there on that candle here, 26 bars, right? And this was the sign that, hey, we got the warning on this candle. We also saw price close under the Kumo cloud here. But look what happened after this move, right? Price dropped in a matter of 3 months and 22 days. Okay, 59.07%. Huge drop. Now, you could have got an even earlier sign to get out, once we got, for example, under the Kijun-sen right there. So you could have actually, walked away with more profits here and saved yourself this big decline of 72%. So there's a lot of advantages of using this indicator. So let's take a look at some of the other aspects of it. The other part of it is this white line. And what that signifies is the closing prices, basically what you're seeing here, but it's projected, instead of 26 periods in the future, projected 26 periods in the past. And so one of the parts and elements of this is that what you want to see is the Chiku span, the white line, above the price. When it gets below it, as it was, for example, right here, you got a warning once again. And so if we project that now into the future, so when it dropped, for example, under this candle, if we go 26 periods into the future, we would have gotten the warning actually on this bar right here, this little bar. So we would have got the warning a little bit sooner, by 1 week, and that would have also saved you money, right? So it's just a great indicator to use. It's simple, and what it stands for, Ichimoku, basically means at a glance, okay, in Japanese. And so at a glance, you can tell, hey, is this a stock I want to own or not? And depending on what type of trader you are, if you're a long-term trader, right, if you're someone that wants to hold a position for an extended period of time, like a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever, the weekly chart makes the most sense because it doesn't fluctuate as much as the daily chart. and which I'm going to switch over to right now. On the daily chart, same principles apply here. Also looking very bullish, right? You'll see that we're up 0.11% today, and it is January 23rd. Like I said, the earnings announcement is going to come out, and we'll see what happens with this stock. But right now, it's looking ultra bullish to me. It's certainly a stock I'd be interested in personally. That's where I'm going to leave it.